Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix that problem in your Instagram. You will just click here on settings, then you come to a settings window here like you say, and you will just go down, you will click here on apps, then you come to apps window and you will just go down to looking for Instagram app here, and this is window, and we will click here in Instagram. Then we come to next window here, like you say, and you just click here on for stop. Then you will click here on OK, and you click here on storage. Then you come to storage window here, like you say, you just click here on clear cache. Then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.